Hello, my dear listeners. I am glad you have joined me yet again for another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, Mwaliwa Magi. I hope that we are enriching our vocabularies as we go along. In this lesson, we are going to learn a thing or two regarding friendship. So, let's start. A friend in Kikuyu is known as murata. While when they are many, they are referred to as arata. Arata. When you are referring to one friend in Kikuyu, then you say murata wakwa. Murata wakwa. But again, when it's two or more friends, then they are arata akwa. Arata akwa. When it happens to be two of you and you are referring to another friend of yours, then you will say murata wito. Murata wito. And if there are many, then you refer them to as arata aito. Arata aito. Now, these friends make friendship, which in Kikuyu we refer to as dogo or urata. Friendship in Kikuyu is dogo or urata. When referring to my friendship with you, then I will say dogo yakwa nawe. Dogo yakwa nawe. Then when it's me and a second person referring to our friendship with you, then we'll call it dogo ito nawe. Dogo ito nawe. And if it happens to be our friendship with them, then it is dogo ito now. Dogo ito now. Now it's time to know your friend. So, who is your friend? Murata waku ni uriku. Murata waku ni uriku. Your answer, murata wakwa etagwo. Then you mention the name of your friend. Murata wakwa etagwo. When it comes to your best friend, then in Kikuyu, your best friend is known as murata wa hakuhi. So when we ask you what is the name of your best friend, we will ask you murata waku wa hakuhi etagwatea. Murata waku wa hakuhi etagwatea. But again, if we want to know about your friends, who are your friends? Arata aku nea or arata aku neariku. Could you show me your friends? No nyonie arata aku. No nyonie arata aku. Or when you simply say, show me your friends, then nyonia arata aku. Nyonia arata aku. Then when you are asked, when did you get to know your friend? Wamenyanire na murata waku ri. Wamenyanire na murata waku ri. Or they are even curious to know the place where you met your friend. Mwasemanirie ko. Mwasemanirie ko. In Kikuyu, when the question ends with re, then you know they are talking about time. And when it ends with ko, then you know they are talking about a place. For example, a question regarding time like, when did your friendship start? Dogo yanyu yabirie ri. Dogo yanyu yambirie rĩ? How long have you been friends? Mũkoretwo mwĩ ndũgũ kahinda kaigana atĩa? Mũkoretwo mwĩ ndũgũ kahinda kaigana atĩa? Do you oftenly meet? Nĩ mũcemanagia kaingĩ? Nĩ mũcemanagia kaingĩ? When is the last time you met your friend? Nĩ rĩ wĩrĩgĩte kuona mũrata waku? Nĩ rĩ wĩrĩgĩte kuona mũrata waku? Mũrata waku, mũrataguo mean the same. Where is he or she from? Aumĩte kũ? Aumĩte kũ? To answer that you say, aumĩte mwena wa. Aumĩte mwena wa. Then you mention the place where he or she comes from. And where does he or she live? Aikaraga kũ? Aikaraga kũ? To answer that, you say, aikaraga. Then you mention the place where he or she lives. Aikaraga. And to know about the age of your friend, ena miaka eigana. Ena miaka eigana. To answer that, ena ukuru wa miaka. Then you mention the number of years. Ena ukuru wa miaka. If you happen to be asked what you usually do when you're together, you'll be asked, niki mwikaga riria mwi hamwe? Niki mwikaga riria mwi hamwe? To answer that, you say, twikaga. Then you mention the activities that you do with your friend. And now, could you describe your friend? No ũtarĩrie ũrĩa mũrata waku akoragwo ahana. No ũtarĩrie ũrĩa mũrata waku akoragwo ahana. What does he or she like? Nĩkĩ akoragwo endete mũno? Nĩkĩ akoragwo endete mũno? What is the most memorable thing you have ever done together? Nĩ ũndũ ũrĩkũ ũtarĩ wa kũriganĩra mũrĩ mweka mwĩ hamwe? Nĩ ũndũ ũrĩkũ ũtarĩ wa kũriganĩra mũrĩ mweka mwĩ hamwe? And now I ask you, have you ever collided with your friend? Nĩ ũrĩ wahĩtania na mũrata waku? Nĩ ũrĩ wahĩtania na mũrata waku? To answer that to the affirmative, nĩ ndahĩtania na mũrata wakwa. Nĩ ndahĩtania na mũrata wakwa. And to the negative, aca ndirĩ ndahĩtania na mũrata wakwa. Aca ndirĩ ndahĩtania na mũrata wakwa. I ask, have you ever lived with a friend? Nĩ ũrĩ waikarania na mũrata? Nĩ ũrĩ waikarania na mũrata? We ask ourselves, what causes friendship to come to an end? Nĩkĩ gĩtũmaga ndũgũ ĩthire? Nĩkĩ gĩtũmaga ndũgũ ĩthire? And when you say ũrata, then you ask, ũrata ũthire? Nĩkĩ gĩtũmaga ũrata ũthire? On a positive note, what makes friendship to flourish? Nĩkĩ gĩtũmaga ndũgũ ĩgacĩre? Nĩkĩ gĩtũmaga ndũgũ ĩgacĩre? And if you are talking about friendships, what makes friendships to flourish? Nĩkĩ gĩtũmaga ndũgũ igacĩre? Nĩkĩ gĩtũmaga ndũgũ igacĩre? Here we take a look at a list of a few things that make friendship flourish, including love in Kikuyu, which is wedo, honesty, wihokeku, togetherness, urumwe, respect, giteo, acceptance, witekereku, patience, wetereri, responsibility, wigerereku, forgiveness, wohaneri. And on that note, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. My sincere hope that you learned a thing or two about friendship and that you will join me again for yet another one, just like this one. From me, it's goodbye.